No, and right up. Just clarifying the groups. It's not eight.
Very good.
Not variable.
Yeah.
Wait. I think it's.
Number
This
three.
is when it's short.
Okay, so where the pipe cleaners meet is the corner. That's your vertex.
Really tell us.
You
This is really short.
This is good.
This is really long. Look. That's bigger than this. This is a key.
Good work.
Is it okay if we back this?
Absolutely.
Doesn't
Yeah.
have an order for these?
Well, you've got them in the right formula. Do you mean in terms of like the two legs? So C should be your largest side. The hypotenuse is going to be the longest, and then the other two legs go over.
Does it really matter?
They're all the- For the not really.
Okay.
You know this. Look at that. Look at that.
So, what is this? I usually use it.
Okay. So
Okay, yeah, number is.
good. Check. Okay. Now we got to use our prototype. So you use your prototype. Where is the angle made between red and yellow? Yes. Okay. So we're gonna measure that with the prototype. Do you know how to do so?
No.
Okay. So we're going to use this little pinhole piece, and we're going to line it up with the vertex, and then we're going to use these hash marks to line up with kind of our starting for reference. Okay, so that creates 0. This point becomes 0. And then we measure the arc that goes up this way. That's what creates your angle. So from 0 to where does this, what number does this line up? 40, yeah, I would absolutely, 45. Okay, so your measurement is, let's write it in there, 45. Absolutely.
You do the rest, so that would have.
So first, fraction. So purple over yellow, which number is purple? 4, and and yellow is 5. So we're just gonna write that as a fraction, 4/5. And then you're gonna plug it into your calculator, 4 divided by 5.
Great.
And once you've got those, please come on up and record your measurements here.
No. It says label the color of each.
That's what I'm trying.
Yes.
So when that, so
Oh, yeah, for the market.
it's a maximum of the people.
Red.
So, remember what we did in our warm-up. If they are equal, then it is a right triangle. And then if one is bigger than the other, it is obtuse. If the other is bigger than the other, it's acute.
What is market?
Okay, so this is.
Oh, you just like,
Oh, it does not say vertex.
oh, God.
Vertex.
I,
That's it, right?
Oh,
yeah.
I hear.
Yeah.
Mark each vertex. I need a one.
Sure.
What is this one?
So the vertex is
Oh,
where,
points.
yep, vertex is the points.
This is the A
Yeah.
and B order.
That works. Mhm.
Thank you.
Oh, of course.
Now,
Wait.
Oh, okay. Well, we're not too far along. Let's just
Oh,
adjust
this measure?
these. Just adjust these. And I'm gonna,
this.
purple,
Yes, it's kind of sick.
12 centimeters.
Okay.
Red,
Okay,
4.5 centimeters.
Is it 130?
Yellow, 12.
This has 50. Red?
And I would just,
Do we keep going?
skip on down to here.
Where did the 50? Right here?
Or we've already done that, so I would just move on down to here. Perfect.
Using the measurements in the table, right?
How do we do number 2?
You'll have to
You will need, so we want to draw this,
pieces.
we want to draw this. Can I use your computer as a drawing?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to draw your triangle on that paper.
Okay. You
It's okay, just use it.
drew? Or you would do 60.
We're gonna wait till the group chart is
Small on the bottom. You don't have to shape it, just go on the bottom.
Great.
And when you have that filled in, so you just need a calculator to divide this by this. And then when you have this filled in, please up front fill it in first. No.
Okay,
Feel it around here.
this one's the other one, this one's the purple one.
ahead, superstar.
What do we do after we draw it?
Was that enough?
Label, so label with the color. So which side here is yellow?
Circle, and then yellow for color.
You want to
Great.
it's up there, look at the boxes.
Yeah, that's so I made it an inch.
All right, good stuff, that's step 4. And then let's move on to step 5. So you'll employ the use of our protractor.
Color is
That's 4.5.
Which of the 3 angles are we measuring?
Red and yellow.
You know how to use protractor? So let's find show me which of the 3 angles we're measuring. 1, 2, or 3. Yep, the angle in between red and yellow. Do you know how to use protractor? Okay. Can you show us? You want to match up this pinhole to the vertex.
C
And
is
you want to, yep,
connected.
exactly like that.
And the line goes to the bottom line, and it goes in here,
It's attached
and
to your
it's
angle.
about
Oh.
3, 9, 5, 29, 129.
So other way, we're starting, this is 0, so we're doing 0, 10, 20, 30,
56, 54, something like that.
56 sounds good.
You put red and yellow.
These are both the same.
Just red.
That's
Oh, okay. What's on your sheet? This should
Red or
be,
yellow?
this should say red. Hold on, okay. Maybe?
Should we do red?
It's so much healthier feel. It's like, well, not the bottom, but like this one.
Hold
Thank
on.
you.
That's all we want.
What question are you doing?
The last one's basically.
You have a back.
You should only be doing the front page, 1 through 6. So 1 through 6, and then we have a pause at 7 for this to be filled in before we can move on.
8, 9.
Yeah, you should be able to do 8, 9, and 10, but 11 and 12 are your stoppers. For 2 or 3 ready to add on to the chart?
So we.
Or is this one just, is this one
Year.
year? You go.
Yeah, year.
Oh, yeah.
I do the year.
Yeah. I didn't. That was a good catch.
You're not gonna agree.
It's close.
Yeah, year.
Okay, so let's compare. Let's come back together.
It's just yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what'd you get for your ratios?
I don't remember what we kind of.
So purple,
Oh, you,
so we want to compare purple,
oh, you were.
purple over yellow. So purple is good, and we're comparing it over, what's the length of yellow? 60. So remember, and then your instructions here tell you to measure to the nearest half centimeter. So let's just call it 16. Oh, nearest. Oh, okay. So we're gonna say 16. And then we'll round this to, what's the nearest half hole? Okay, so 15 over 16. Purple over red, what's your ratio? Red measures 6.5. Okay, so, and then red over yellow is what number, Sarah? Red, 6.5 over yellow, Daniel?
The rest of the, sorry.
Okay, then you need a calculator to divide.
Yeah.
15 divided by 16 is?
15 billion.
Mm-hmm. Is that it? Just round to the nearest 10.
It's just one.
Point nine.
But when you just make it a one, you guys.
That would be if you were rounding up, but you would round one down. No, just 0 on it. Now do the same for this and this. Divide and find the ratio. And then group 3, if you can please can come record your
Wouldn't this be 0.5?
2.4.
You said you're.
So this is, so the rounding comes from what number follows, okay? So this is 0.93. If this is 5 or more, so if this is 0.95, then you'll round up.
If it's not, you stay the same.
Yep, okay. And can you folks please record above the board? Everyone else, please fill in the other group's answers on your recording sheet.
All of you?
Yep. On the,
Didn't keep the same, 2.3.
the sheet.
Ah.
Yep. Use the sheet to record what's on the board.
6.
At this time, you can tape or clip the pipe cleaners back together and I'll take them. Don't need your partner just yet. Thank you.
She's not with us.
Thanks.
You're the.
Is that the 10, like for the 10.5?
Looks like a 10.5 group 2. Could you confirm?
What?
Is that yours, the 2?
Yeah.
What is the one next to 8.8? Is it
4.
I can't see.
There's 10.5. Just look at the paper.
Wait, which one?
2?
I know, but like, I can't, 8.5.
It's 10.5.
10.5.
Yeah.
Is that a 6 and a 5?
Which one?
Under red to yellow. Is that?
6.
6.5 over 10.5. And then 8.5 over 6.5. All right,
Teachers and students, at this time, we're going to run a tornado drill. Please move to your designated safety area. Again, we are running a tornado drill. Please move to your safety area.
it's actually the hallway.
Let's see. When does this meeting?
Start it out here. together for a moment, and thank you for coming back in and focusing. Let me collect ruler, measuring instruments, sorry about that. Rulers and protractors can come back to me. We are on a regular schedule, so 10:47. Thank you, and thank you. Okay. We are going to move into debrief and quick notes before you complete the check your understanding question. So a reminder,